Hello guys and welcome to the new YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you download Facebook videos into your gallery on your iPhone or Android device. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm just gonna go and open up my Facebook, and right now this video is playing that says barber pranks hit by pretending he's cut his hair off. So normally what you would do, you would press on those three dots and look for download button, and you would find a save to watch later button. And for some people, they would think that this would save it to the gallery, but it does not save this video to the gallery. So what do you do if you want to download it into your gallery? Simply press this share button here, and we're going to copy the link. Right, once the link is copied, we're going to open up our Safari browser or whatever browser you're using, and we're gonna search for Facebook video downloader like I searched here. Now previously I did use fdown.net, which is the top one. It worked just fine, but before making this video I was just testing it out. It was not working fine, so let's try this snapsave.app. So now I'm gonna paste my URL here that we copied from the video, and I'm gonna hit download. You see it's loading, and now you can, I don't know if you guys can really see the thumbnail here, but it is definitely the video that we were watching, and we get a few options what we can download here, and for some qualities we will have to render it. So just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna hit download on the 361 because I would want to save my space. So once I've done that, I don't know what this pop-up is, but it is probably the video is downloading right here. And yeah, it's been downloaded, and if I hit play, look, the video is working just fine. 3 minutes, the whole video is here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.